Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 135 of Building the Delorean add-on bits. We're back to sleepers again. Another railway sleeper to build and indeed install onto the strut that we've got from before. That would be good. I like to build things. Looking at Zemeckis still, it did Flight in 2012. And apparently I can subscribe to James Bond's DB5 from Eaglemoss. I bet I can't because Eaglemoss are no longer there anymore. So that is absolute rubbish. We'll get rid of that. But you can feel free to read about Flight. I don't remember. I vaguely remember the film, but not anything about it. Hell Valley. This is the bad continuum. Yeah, when things went bad for everybody. Next time we are doing some more. We got, it looks like another railway track piece and brackets to attach it to the other side of the bit that we're doing now. Saying about that, let's do it now. So we have the bits from last time and the bits from this time. Now I seem to only have one of these brackets delivered this time instead of the two that I should have had, and I've got two from last time. Again, it might be me that's lost it. I don't know. I don't think so, but it's possible. I'm not worrying too much about it because it is only a bracket that sort of holds. I've just found it. Look, there it is. It was underneath. I swear I looked under there. Right. I shall use it then, seeing as I've just found it. So that's going in there. We are going to do exactly the same as we did last time with this bit. We're going to put those together like that. That one on there, the same. I'll get all of these tightened up behind the scenes because, you know, you don't need to see me doing every little screw up because that's going to be, you know, I do enough screw ups without worrying about that. So let me just tighten that down a bit so it's not wobbling around. There we have that. Now we need to do some other things. This fixes next to that, like that, and it does so with these brackets. So they go on there like that, in there like that. So we shall put the two in that we've got this time on here. Says not being able to get it lined up properly. Easy on, it's just not on tight as ever. Yeah, so these are going to go in there like that, and the same down there, and then we're going to fit two more onto there, I believe. Let me just double check because, you know, I don't want to jump ahead. It says put it on either side of the one that we got. So yes, it'll go on there and then onto there. So we're going to put those on there as well, but I'll do those later. Don't worry about that now. The interesting bit now is going to be fitting these to here. Because then we can have the other bracket attached. Well, not the other bracket attached. The metal rail will actually fit in there. And with two of these holding it in place, it might even stay in place. It might not. We'll have to work that one out as we go. So that on there will then hold that better, and I'll tighten it up and make sure it's all okay. So we're getting some of the track together. I think next time we've got the other bits fit on the other side, whether it just comes with 2 or 4 of those, we'll figure out down the line. But this came with the 4, didn't it, all at once? So yeah, I'll get these fitted, and that will be that, and that's another issue done, and indeed another pack done. So that should be, if my editing is working as intended, another week done. So I shall see you next time for more of this. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye bye for now.